Okay, today we're gonna make cracked slaw, and I just want to warn you now, do not make this recipe.
Okay, to make this cracked slaw recipe, you're gonna need 1 pound of extra lean ground beef, a half cup of green onions, a half teaspoon of minced garlic, and cabbage. How much cabbage? A lot of cabbage. So you're gonna wash the cabbage, take off the outer leaves, and cut this dude in half. Then you're gonna cut this half in half. Then you're gonna cut off this little tail. Then you're gonna make these angle cuts and cut out the core. Then you're gonna chop till you have 3.5 cups of cabbage, and then you're gonna keep chopping until you have way too much cabbage. Then you're gonna brown your meat in the pan. While that's cooking, we're gonna go make the sauce. Start with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of vinegar, a half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of Splenda, and a half teaspoon of hot sauce. And you're gonna mix it all together. Look at that, it's all done. Now drain the fat and put it to the side. Add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the pan. Add your cabbage. Add some green onions. Add your ginger. And let it simmer. Add your sauce. Then reintroduce your meat to the pan. Now it's time for taste testing. But wait, it's too hot. But that won't stop you now. Because how can you resist something that's delicious and healthy? You dig in and now you can't stop. And then you realize that you are a cracked slaw addict.
That's good.
Then you ask yourself, can I eat this good and lose weight? Yes, you can. Come visit us at Your Ideal Journey or message us on Facebook to learn more. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.